Hello students, we are studying the lesson A Triumph of Surgery. In our previous session, we came to know that by changing the lifestyle of Tricky, Mr. Harriet cured him, and in order to hand him over to Mrs. Pumphrey, he called to her. Now let us continue. Within minutes, about 30 feet of gleaming black metal drew up outside the surgery. The chopper opened the door, and I could just make out the figure of Mrs. Pumphrey, almost lost in the interior. Her hands were tightly clasped in front of her. Her lips trembled. "Oh, Mr. Harriet, do tell me the truth. Is he really better?" When he called, within a few minutes, about 30 feet of gleaming black metal drew up outside the surgery. Here, gleaming means shining, black metal means car, and the car was 30 feet long. It means within a few minutes, a long black car came outside the surgery. The chopper means car driver. He opened the car door. Narrator saw Mrs. Pumphrey was sitting inside the car, holding her hands tightly. Here, clasped means holding her hands tightly, and her lips were trembling. Mrs. Pumphrey's lips were trembling. Trembling means shaking. It shows she was very excited and nervous. She asked the narrator if Tricky was really better. "Yes, he is fine. There is no need for you to get out of the car. I will go and fetch him." The narrator replied her positively, and he told her not to get out of the car, and he would bring Tricky. Fetch means bring. He would bring Tricky. I walked through the house into the garden. A mass of dogs was hurtling round and round the lawn, and in their midst, ears flapping, tail waving, was the little golden figure of Tricky. In 2 weeks, he had been transformed into Leithe, hard-muzzled animal. He was keeping up well with the pack, stretching out in great bounds, his chest almost brushing the ground. The narrator went to the garden. In the garden, a mass of dogs, means group of dogs, was hurtling. Hurtle means to move rapidly or violently or without control. He saw the golden color Tricky in their midst. It means he saw Tricky in the middle of other dogs, and Tricky's color was golden color, and Tricky was flapping his ears and he was waving his tail. Tricky was completely changed within 2 weeks. He was transformed into Leithe. Leithe means flexible or slim, hard-muzzled animal. It means Tricky was completely transformed into flexible and fit animal. He was playing with other dogs. His chest used to touch the ground while he was stretching his body. Here we can see earlier Tricky was very fat, inactive, and even he could not walk steadily. But now his body is very flexible and he is very active and healthy. I carried him back along the passage to the front of the house. The chauffeur was still holding the car door open and was when Tricky saw his mistress. He took up from my arms in a tremendous leap and sailed into Mrs. Pumphrey's lap. She gave a startled "oh" and then had to defend herself as he was swarmed over her, licking her face and barking. Mr. Harriet took Tricky to the front of the house. He saw that Chopper was still holding the door of the car. And when Tricky saw his mistress, he became very happy and he released himself from the hands of narrator and ran away and jumped into the laps of Mrs. Pumphrey. She gave a startled "oh." It means Mrs. Pumphrey screamed with excitement and she had to defend herself as Tricky swarmed her. Here, swarm means to climb by gripping with arms and legs alternately. Usually, dogs do so when they see their owner. Usually, to express their love, they do so. Here, Tricky was also doing the same thing. And Tricky started to lick her face and he was barking to express his love for Mrs. Pumphrey. During the excitement, I helped the chauffeur to bring out the beds, toys, cushions, coats, and bowls, none of which had been used. As the car moved away, Mrs. Pumphrey leaned out of the window. Tears shone in her eyes. Her lips trembled. While Mrs. Pumphrey and Tricky were celebrating their reunion, Mr. Harriet, with the help of Chopper, brought out all the stuff of Tricky. The stuff contained Tricky's beds, toys, cushions, coats, balls. Actually, none of them had been used by the author. It means he did not give chance for Tricky to use those things. As the car moved away, Mrs. Pumphrey leaned out of the window. Tears shone in her eyes. Her lips trembled. "Oh, Mr. Harriet," she cried, "how can I ever thank you? This is a triumph of surgery." When Mrs. Pumphrey was leaving, she leaned out of the window and expressed her gratitude to Mr. Harriet. And she said that this is a triumph of surgery. It means Mr. Harriet's surgery had been successful as Tricky was cured in the surgery. In the story, we can see Mrs. Pumphrey's excessive care and food made Tricky ill, and Mr. Harriet treated Tricky just by changing his lifestyle. The story has a message for the parents also. What is the message? The message is that they should not pamper and overfeed their children. With this, we have completed the lesson, A Triumph of Surgery. Let us go for the next another topic in our next session.